안녕하세요. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be trying this onsengbang food kit which I received from Korea. With this we can make Guseonwangdogo, which is a representative healthy rice cake made using 9 different herbal medicines for the royal family of the Joseon dynasty. According to the Donggui Bogum, a Korean book compiled by the royal physician Hyojun, it is said that Guseonwangdogo has an excellent effect on improving digestion and immunity, as the main ingredients include herbal medicines that are good for the stomach and kidneys. Let's try making a healthy rice cake that the kings of Joseon dynasty ate at home. I feel like I'm also in the Joseon dynasty while making this awesome healthy rice cake. Let's try it. It tastes like healthy but also delicious at the same time. I don't know how to explain the feeling that I'm getting right now eating this wonderful cake, which I never had before. I'm happy that I got the opportunity to taste a royal dessert like this in my life. It was so good. I love it. Thank you so much for sending me this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, and comment. See you soon. 사랑해. 감사합니다. 안녕.